Hey guys, what's up? It's Sakurajima. I'm back with yet another cosplay review. It has been kind of a while since I did another one of these. So today I will be reviewing yet another cosplay that I got from DokiDoki Cosplay. So today I will be reviewing a cosplay of my Sakurajima. This time I got the school uniform and I got the SR version. So their website has two versions of my Sakurajima's school uniform cosplay. They have the R quality and the SR quality. So I ordered their SR quality to see how much different it is compared to most cosplays. And let's get on right to it. So here's the bag. We have the shop logo on the front and their social medias on the back as well. I'll be linking their site in the description. They also include this little paper that shows what exactly it comes with. So we have ourselves a skirt. I really hope this fits. I bought it in a size medium. I believe this is the shirt. Oh. It has an interesting texture to it. I'll show it in a bit. We have this sweater, which is actually made of a really soft material. That sweater looks really nice. I can't wait to see the blazer. And finally we have the blazer. And finally we have the accessories. So we have ourselves the little bunny that's in the hair. We have the bobby pins, the tie, and I believe these are the stockings or the socks. I don't know if they're stockings or socks. I forgot what she wears in the anime. It's been a while since I've seen it. Let's open up the accessories first. So first we have the hair accessories. So they sent 5 bobby pins, same amount that she wears, and they're all in this really pretty pink shade. I'm not entirely sure where this is gonna go, but I think it's for the tie. Because looking at the reference images, it looks like she wears this right here. We'll see. Then we have the little bunny hair clip that she wears. Oh, it's got an interesting texture to it. I wasn't expecting that. We have ourselves the tie that she wears. We have ourselves the tie as well. And what I can't help but notice is that the materials they used for the SR quality version of this cosplay are like those you'd find on a real school uniform, unlike a lot of other sites that sell the school cosplay. We have the stockings as well. I'm just worried about them tearing because almost every single time I get a pair of stockings, they tear. But the quality of the stockings does seem to be a lot better than most. We'll see. Next, we have our blazer. Oh, this is a really nice fabric. So this one's made of a really nice fabric. It's not made of typical cosplay fabric. This is what they make like actual school uniform blazers out of. Let me try that on real quick. Shoot, I might even be able to use this outside of cosplay. This is a great cosplay because you can also use all the parts outside of cosplay. If I wasn't working from home, I could totally wear this to my office. I just cannot get over how soft the material is. It's kind of warm too. It's pretty snug. I was worried that it was going to be too big. Even the buttons are really nice. And it has some satin lining inside as well. Next we have the sweater vest, and I'm worried about it being big. It looks pretty big. Okay, so here's the sweater vest. Maybe it'll fit loosely, but not too big. Let me try it on. This is going to be really comfy for when it's fall or winter. I cannot get over how comfortable this is. This is perfect to take to cons. Next we have the blouse. Let's see, how's this one going to fit? Most of the blouses you get with school uniform cosplays don't have any sort of texture or pattern to them. It's just a plain white blouse. But this one, if you look at it up close, you can see like little triangles. And it's got an interesting texture to it. But you have to look really, really closely to see it. The shirt does fit kind of big on me, but that's just because I'm a small person. For reference, I'm about 5 foot tall and 90 something pounds last time I checked. And I got this in a size medium, but I wear an American size small, so do with that what you will. I hope that helps you a little bit when choosing the sizing if you're gonna buy this cosplay. And finally, we have this skirt. The moment I pulled the skirt out, it gave me flashbacks to elementary school when I still had to follow by a dress code. This feels exactly like the uniform skirts that I wore back then. Okay, so for the skirt, you're actually supposed to cut off that thread that's right here, tying all the pleats together. I only know that because I also had to do the same when I got my Homoda cosplay years and years back. Oh my god, that was 5 years ago. So the pleats are pretty nicely made. This does feel like a real school uniform skirt. So I hope that was helpful, and I'm going to try on the cosplay real quick. I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I have tried on the full cosplay, and here it is, the full view. So right now I'm just going to do a quick turnaround so you can get a good look at the cosplay, and then I'll wrap up my review. So now it's time for me to wrap things up. I always go into the same 3 sections. So the way I choose to review my cosplays is I split it into 3 sections. How much does it look like the photo on the site? How accurate is it to the character design? And how comfortable is it? So let's start off with how much does it look like the site photo. So I can definitely say 100% for sure that what you see is what you get. Every photo on the site is exactly how it looks in person. So for that, I would easily have to give it 5 stars. So up next, we're looking at how accurate it is to the character design. So not only did they get every part of Mai's outfit right, they actually really outdid themselves with the fabric choices. It looks and feels like a real school uniform, especially when you see it in person. So I am giving that a 5 out of 5 stars as well. I can tell you right away, this is easily one of the most comfortable cosplays I own. If I were to compare this with my other similar school cosplay that I got when I did Beauty from DokiDoki Literature Club, this is easily the more comfortable one. I could honestly go on all day about how much I love this cosplay. What I really like is that you can use pretty much all the pieces for just everyday wear if you'd like. I'm not gonna lie, the stockings, I was very scared that I was gonna rip them when putting them on, because they are pretty thin. I'd be careful with that. But so far there's no runs in them, so I'm thinking these are pretty durable, which is great because stockings tear so easily, it's not even funny. So obviously I would have to give the comfort aspect 5 out of 5 stars. And the last part of my reviews, I always go over how wearable this is to a con. Depending on the con, this could get kind of warm, but it's not unbearable. I honestly don't see any problems that could happen with this cosplay. Maybe careful with the stockings. They are pretty thin and they could tear easily, but that's stockings for you in general, so. Anyways, with that all being said, I highly recommend this cosplay if you do plan on cosplaying Mai anytime in the future. It is very much worth buying and just checking out their site in general. This is one of my favorite places to go for cosplays because the quality from them is absolutely outstanding every time. Anyways, if you have been watching this long, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my review. If you want to see more, please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to see more of my cosplay content, you can check out the description below for all my social media links. I will be posting a new video every Tuesday and Saturday. And I will be seeing you guys next time. Goodbye.